Last class, I am Ashok Kumar Misra. Last class, I have discussed about the networking concepts and what are the different types of the networking and what are the different peripherals and what are the different architecture. Today, I am discussing about the objective questions. First is PAN, and first in fill in the blanks. First answer is the PAN. Second is the communication, and third is the data and the resources. And fourth question's answer is single points, and fifth is nodes, and sixth is wireless networking, and seventh is MAN and LAN, and eight is topology. And true false, first is false, second true, third true, fourth true, fifth false, sixth false, and seventh is true. And application network, first is network LAN network, second is peer-to-peer, and third is networking card, and fourth is the Bluetooth technology. And in MCQ questions, first answer is Ethernet card, and second is the protocol, third is node, and fourth is network, and fifth is web, and sixth is bus topology. These are the different objectives. Now I am discussing about the questions answers. What is the networking? And give some common example. A computer network can be defined as a group of the computers and others peripherals devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing and data and हार्डवेयर रिसोर्सेज. मतलब कंप्यूटर में नेटवर्किंग का मीनिंग ही है कि उद्देश्य यही होता है कि हमारा डाटा और हार्डवेयर को रिसोर्स करे. अब सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है कि लैन एंड वैन का डिफरेंशिएट करना. तो डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे डेफिनेशन के आधार पर. फर्स्ट, लैन इज ए कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क that connect computer in a small area, where WAN is the network that is the cover a broad area using the private or the public network transports. And second is the differentiate is the data transfer. LAN offer high data transfer speed, where WAN has the low transfer speeds. And speed is the 80 to 19 Mbps, where WAN has the 10 to 20 Mbps. And broadband is the available for transmission, and bandwidth is available. And error, fewer data transmission error and more data transmission error. And maintenance cost are the low because low area, and maintenance cost are high as the more area. And question number 3, what do you understand by the term network security? Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspects in the computer and networking, because many users are accessing same data, so ensure its security. And last question is explain the client server network in your own words. It is a network where several computers are called clients or workstations are connected to the main computers called the server. A server is a computer that provides service to the client, controls access to the hardware, software, and other resources, whereas the clients are the computer which request service like the data retrievals, storage, etc. from the server. And question number 5, what do you understand by the topology? The network topology refers to the layout in which various components of the networks like the links, peripherals, etc. are connected, and the communicates with each other. Topology can either be physically or logically network. Topology are the categorized into the following types: point to point, bus topology, star topology, ring topology, and tree topology, mesh topology. These are the different terms of the topology. And last question is the differentiate between the peer-to-peer networks and the client-server network. So peer-to-peer network is the network where the few components having the equal capacity of the are the connected together to use the resources available on the network. Where in the client-server network, several computers called clients or workstation are connected to main computer called server. Second, in peer-to-peer network, there is no central server. Instead of each computer can act as the server as well as clients. In a server, computers that provide the service to clients and control access to hardware, software, and other resources. Clients are the computer that request a service, data, retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Okay, bye.